Yes, yeah, I don't know how to say this, but yesterday was in fact actually a really bad day. I lost my funded account. Yeah, so lost another one. The stats that you see on the left was before last trade that I took yesterday. That trade ended me at 1,000 net loss, and so I lost that account. Yeah, you know what's the bad thing about it is that I was patiently waiting for my setup for 3 or 4 days without taking any of the trades, and then I ruined it in one stupid trade in the end. I took a trade after my trading window, which was the first mistake that I did. And the second mistake is that that was not even a really good setup. I I chased an impulsive move. Yeah, for the last few weeks, my mind has not been at the right place, and I'm not sure why. There's so many things happening, and it's been affecting my trading for a long time now. So, like we do usually, I will only take my next funded account during the start of next month or towards the end of this month. So, it will either be on the last day of the month or the beginning of next month. Until then, we will be just doing paper trading. But yeah, it's unfortunate, you know, it's so heartbreaking when you patiently wait for your setup and then lose it on such a stupid trade. Yeah, yeah, but sometimes it's like that. Uh, we have to accept the reality. Yeah, yeah, we will take a look at the charts and I will start a new account on paper trading so that I can, before that, let me just adjust the view a bit. Okay, yeah, that seems good. Yeah. So what I will do right now is I will start a new paper trading account until the end of the month, and we have to practice discipline. It's not, I have to follow my rules. It's not working for some reason. Let me see what is the state of this account. 48948. So I will do one thing. I will reset this account and I will start with 50K balance. Yeah, and we have to make sure that we follow our setup properly during the next 2 weeks until we take the next funded account. Yeah, it's unfortunate, but these are all very important and very critical in a trader's life. So we gotta take it. Accidentally. Yeah, I will remove this. Okay, now I'll set up a new uh, area of interest for me. That is this particular zone. So when price touches this level, we will look for a trade. Until then, we won't have a trade. Yeah, that looks like a decent zone on the 15 minutes. Let me see MES. Yeah, also on MES, we have a pretty good zone here. Another zone is this one. It's not that great, but we will watch it. There's one more here. MNQ. Yeah, we have one here, but I'm not sure how good that will be though. Okay. Let me see if I can play some music. Yeah, I'm not sure how that is to listen to in the stream, but just keep it low. I was just checking out how the audio is appearing in the stream. I think it's pretty good. Or we might have a better way. Let me think about it. Yeah, let's take a look at the charts again. It's coming down. Yeah, we're waiting for price to tap this low, either on MNQ or on MES. What is this? So I'm planning to build a checklist of rules and to just mark a tick on it whenever I follow all the rules in my checklist. So I'm trying to build that for my next funded account. I think that will help me with discipline a lot. And now the thing is, since I've lost another account, my confidence about just trading 2 hours, just trading the London session, it's getting affected because I feel like I'm not getting enough setups. Although, to be honest, I just need only 3 setups in a month to break the break the threshold of profit for passing the eval. But waiting for those 3 days is the most difficult part. You have to wait all the remaining 25 days of the month or 25, 27 days of the month without taking a trade. That's the most difficult part. Not able to do that, unfortunately. Market has opened and it is not. Why does London Open look so weak? There's nothing happening during this open.
Okay, it's coming down.
It's moving so slow. You can see that the internet might not be that good. Uh, Not particularly excited about what's happening with the market these days. And I'm not really sure where to double down. Should I trade the whole day by looking at the levels, or should I just trade the 2 hours? Not really sure. Yeah. Yeah, I just wanted to be transparent and record my journey here. That's why I had to put it out that I lost the account. The stat that you see on the left is of yesterday's. So today it has hit I mean, yesterday itself it has hit the drawdown limit and I've lost the account. It's an account breach. So if I analyze it, what do I think are the major reasons why I lost that account? First is definitely impatience, inability to wait for the top class setup, A plus setup. Second is breaking my rule of trading outside the window. And I've seen this pattern with me that whenever I take a funded account during my initial days, I play it a bit loose. I am not I'm not as disciplined or as careful as I am when I'm about to lose that account the last few days. When compared to the last few days, in the initial days, I'm really bad. I'm too too loose. Takes B, C, and D kind of setups, not sticking purely to A plus setups, not demonstrating patience during the first few days of the challenge. Yeah, it all comes back to bite me in the end. When I have just 200 or $400 in the account, yeah, it all comes. I don't even have enough breathing space to move around or experiment with a couple of trades. So it's the worst thing. I have to be on it from day one, from the get go. I have to make sure that I'm trading only my best setups. Yeah, this funded account left me with a bit of confusion as well as to if I should still stick on to my 2 days, 2 hours trading window, or if I should actually keep a timer for when my setup triggers for the whole day and then just take trades, come to the market based on that trigger or timer. Yeah, even though I'm mentally feeling like I might get a really good setups when if I keep that timer, but still to inculcate discipline and be a bit more disciplined and manage my risk, I think I should still stick to the 2 hours trading window and don't overdo it by just trading the whole day. I will lose all my mental strength. My brain will get fatigued out so fast if I do that. So I think I'll still stick to the 2 hours trading window and I will stick to London session. Hopefully, I get more opportunities and more volume in the market. I think it's just been a rough period for trading in general for the last couple of months because of how the market's moving. Or I should have a setup that actually benefit this kind of market, but mine is unfortunately not that. So yeah, that's the thing. Yeah, that's why I came into the stream. As you've seen, I've started a new paper trading account. So I will make sure that I trade this with the absolute discipline and based on my rules and my risk management. So hopefully I can turn this around. Can practice a bit of mental fortitude on my paper trading account. Yeah. So let's see. Let's see how it goes. I will end the stream because I don't have nothing more to talk about. If any trade happens on the paper trading account, I will capture it tomorrow. Yeah.